Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with exercise 7.3. I hope up to 7.2 all the questions are clear to you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Okay. Today we are discussing about a new topic, that is your marked price. Okay. Marked price is actually that price which is written on the things when you went for buying. For example, if you go to a shopping mall, there is a dress, उस पर जो टैग है वो 1000 रुपीज़ का है. ओके, टैग इज द ऑफ 1000 रुपीज़. दैट इज योर मार्क्ड प्राइस, जो उस पर मार्क हुआ है, राइट. बट कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, इफ यू समटाइम्स गो, उस पर लिखा होता है कि 15% ऑफ है, 20% ऑफ है. So they after off you get that dress for rupees 800. उस ड्रेस पर 1000 रुपीज़ मार्क था, बट यू आर गेटिंग दैट ड्रेस फॉर रुपीज़ 800. सो 800 पर आपने खरीद, तो शॉपकीपर के लिए वो क्या होगा, उसका सेलिंग प्राइस, कि इतने पर उसने उसको सेल किया है, राइट. शॉपकीपर के लिए उसके क्या होगा, उसका सेलिंग प्राइस. तो बीच में जो ये 200 रुपीज़ बच गए, वो आपको क्या है, डिस्काउंट. जनरली यू गो टू शॉपिंग मॉल, यू से ना कि हमें इतने का डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, दैट्स वाई ये 1000 रुपीज़ की ड्रेस हमें 800 रुपीज़ की मिल रही है. तो अब 3 टर्म्स आई यहाँ पर. 1000 रुपीज़ दैट इज़ द प्राइस दैट इज रिटन ऑन दैट ड्रेस. 1000 रुपीज़ दैट इज़ योर मार्क्ड प्राइस. After that you are getting a 20% discount or whatsoever. Suppose you are getting a 200 rupees discount on it. So वो डिस्काउंट मिल गया, तो डिस्काउंट माइनस करके ही तो हम लेते हैं. उसमें से जो मार्क प्राइस है उसमें से वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द डिस्काउंट. तो 1000 minus 200 if I'll do, I'll get 800. So that is basically the selling price, जिस पर आपको शॉपकीपर वो ड्रेस दे रहा है. क्लियर. सो इन written we can write as that marked price is the money that is written on an article, or you can write as marked on an article. Okay. Further, discount हम कैसे निकाल रहे हैं, you can see from here also. मार्क प्राइस में से क्या माइनस किया हमने, सेलिंग प्राइस. जितना मार्क था उसमें से सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा डिस्काउंट आ रहा है. सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर डिस्काउंट इज मार्क्ड प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके. फर्दर, इफ यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज, इट इज ऑलवेज डिस्काउंट अपॉन मार्क्ड प्राइस, क्योंकि डिस्काउंट हमें किस पर मिलता है, मार्क्ड प्राइस पर. जो वैल्यू मार्क होती है, on that value you are getting your discount into 100. Okay, into 100%. So that in this way you will calculate your discount percent. But sometimes if in the question, suppose you are straight away given ki mark price of an article is so and so, like 5000 rupees, and you are getting a 20% discount. If the discount is already given in terms of percentage, if it is already given in terms of percentage, then there are two formulas which we can apply. For marked price, the formula is 100 into selling price divided by 100 minus discount percent. Mark my words, discount should be given in terms of percentage only. Okay. And starting from the selling price, the formula for the selling price, it is 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100. Okay, this is the formula for the selling price. Make sure this is always in the percentage, and this sign will always remain minus, क्योंकि discount को हम हमेशा minus ही करते हैं, don't add it. Okay. So these are the two formulas for marked price and selling price. Based on this, we are going to solve the questions of our exercise. So let's start with the exercise now. Let's start. So coming to the very first question. The question says find the discount. You need to find out the discount and selling price. You need to find out the discount and selling price the marked price given to you is rupees 575, and discount percentage is given to you 12%. Okay, so if you'll see at the question, students, we need to find out selling price. तो selling price का ये formula होता है. Just put the formula for the selling price. 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100. If you can see, you have all the values. Just put it down. 100 minus discount percent is what? 12. Put the bracket into 575 upon 100. Okay. Now 100 minus 12 is 88 into 575 upon 100. First solve the bracket. Okay, nobody will multiply like this, 12 into 575. The first step is to solve the bracket. I hope you will solve this calculation part yourself, so solve it yourself. Selling price we have calculated. So coming to the second, they have asked you discount. Just above we have started the formula for discount also, that is marked price minus selling price. Discount is what? Marked price minus selling price. Okay, so marked price is what? 575 rupees minus selling price. Selling price you can calculate from here. So once you will put it here, you will get the answer of discount as well. I hope the question is clear to you. Okay, the first part I have done for you. Second part you are going to do it yourself. Consider it as your homework. Okay, moving to question number 2, second part. Question number 2, second part. In the question it is given that advertised price is rupees 28,500. Okay, and selling price is rupees 24,510. They are asking you to find the discount percentage. Okay, second part I am doing. एडवर्टाइज्ड प्राइस मतलब जिसकी उन्होंने एडवर्टाइजिंग की हुई है, जो प्राइस बताया हुआ है किसी भी सामान पर. लाइक इफ़ यू वेंट टू बाय अ सेट ऑफ डाइनिंग टेबल, तो इफ़ यू वेंट टू बाय द सेट ऑफ डाइनिंग टेबल, तो एडवर्टाइज प्राइस जो उस पर आपका प्राइस लिखा हुआ है, राइट, दैट इज़ योर एडवर्टाइज प्राइस. तो बेसिकली दैट इज़ द मार्क्ड प्राइस ओनली. ओके, that is your marked price only. Fine. Further, marked price is given, selling price is given. Now you need to find out the discount percentage, है ना. discount percentage निकालना है. तो now you have both marked price as well as selling price. Put any formula. Suppose I am putting for marked price. Suppose I am putting for the marked price. The formula is 100 into SP, 100 minus discount percent. Okay, 100 into SP, 100 minus discount percent. So 100 into selling price is what? 24,510. 100 minus discount percent. This we need to calculate. Okay, and the marked price is 28,500. Okay, this is in the division. So when it will go here, this term will be multiplied with this. So 28,500 to be multiplied with 100 minus discount percent. Okay, equals to 100 into 24510. Fine. Further, 28,500 is in multiplication. So when it will go here, it will come in divide. 100 minus discount percent as it is. This will come 100 into 24510 divided by 28500. If I'll cancel this, I'll get 100 minus discount percent is equals to 2451 upon 285. Okay, this term, this is in positive. When I'll transpose it here, it will become minus 2451 upon 285 equals to, this is minus discount percent, so when I'll transpose it here, it will change to plus discount percent. Now take the LCM and solve it. Whatever answer you will get, this will be the answer of your discount percentage. Okay, this is all about second part of question number 2. So first part is same, you are going to do it yourself. This is your homework. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, it is given that the marked price of a notebook is rupees 30. Marked price is MP. Okay. Now a person is buying a dozen notebooks. What it is buying? A dozen notebooks. And on buying dozen notebooks, a person is getting a discount of 15%. So discount percent is also given. That is rupees 15 percentage. Okay. So you need to find out the selling price. कि selling price कितना रहा होगा. Now a person is buying dozen notebooks और ये marked price सिर्फ एक notebook का है. So first you need to calculate the marked price of dozen notebooks. Dozen means 12. तो ये एक notebook का given है. We need to calculate the marked price of 12 notebooks. Okay. So marked price of 12 notebook is rupees 30 into 12, because एक का 30 था तो 12 का कितना होगा? It will be rupees 360. Now I have got the marked price rupees 360. Discount percentage is given to you 15%. They are asking you the selling price of 12 notebooks. We have a straight formula for the selling price. What is that? 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100, right? So 100 minus discount percent is what? 15%. Marked price is what? 360. Okay, and divided by 100. Now 100 minus 15, this is discount percent 15. 100 minus 15 is what? 85 into 360 divided by 100. Just do the calculation and whatever answer you will get, that will be the selling price of your 12 notebooks. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you, students. Now question number 4. In question number 4, they have given you the discount percentage of a fan. Whatever we are buying a fan, so discount percentage is given to you 9%. Okay, and the shopkeeper is charging rupees 728. A shopkeeper charged rupees 728. That means वो आपसे 728 rupees ले रहा है. ठीक है, you went to a shop to buy a fan and the shopkeeper is charging rupees 728. He is taking 728 rupees from you. This will be the selling price for the shopkeeper जिस पर वो आपको बेच रहा है. That is only the selling price. So selling price will be rupees 728. Okay. Discount percentage is rupees 9. Okay. Solution starts from here. You can write whole SP of a fan. Rupees 728. Discount percentage is rupees 9. So further they are asking you what is the marked price of the fan. Okay. So straight away know the formula of marked price. No. Formula for the marked price is 100 into SP. 100 minus discount percentage. So 100 into selling price is what? 728. And 100 minus discount percentage is rupees 9. Okay. So solve it. 100 into 728 and 100 minus 9 is 91. do the calculation. So that will be your marked price of the fan. Don't forget to put the units. Make sure you will write rupees everywhere. Okay. Moving to the last question of this video. Question number 5. An article is list price is given to you. List price of an article is rupees 800. List price. List price is also known as marked price. Okay, तो list price आपका marked price ही होता है. List price of an article is rupees 800. Okay. Now further, discount is given to you. Discount percentage is given to you 20. Selling price they are asking for. Selling price. Okay. List price is given, discount percentage is 20, selling price they are asking for. In the first part, this question has 2 parts. So first they have asked you the selling price. Now you straight away know the formula of the selling price. Formula is 100 minus discount percentage into marked price upon 100. Students, make sure you will learn the formulas first, because without learning them you won't be able to do any question. So 100 minus discount percentage. Discount percentage is what? 20. Marked price is what? 800 upon 100. Okay. 100 minus 20 is 80 into 800 upon 100. Cancel it. You will get rupees 640. So selling price of that article is rupees 640. Now further they have said, if the profit is 25%, in the second part it is given, if the profit percentage is 25%, you need to find out the cost price. So in the earlier exercise we have gone through the formula for the cost price also. The formula for the cost price is what? 100 into SP 100 profit. Profit हमेशा add होता है. 100 plus profit percentage. So 100 into SP. SP is rupees 640. 100 plus 25, because this is the profit percentage. So 100 into 640. Students, I have noticed many of you cancel this 100. First आप इसको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि एडिशन में है. सो फर्स्ट आप नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर पूरा सॉल्व करोगे. एडिशन 100 plus 25 is 125. Now solve it, and whatever answer you will get, that is considered as your cost price of an article. Make sure you'll do 7.3 today. Okay, and if you face any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.